So hi all, in this video I'm going to show you how to register on the Graphy platform. Okay, so to register for a particular course on Graphy, you will receive a link from the Techness Academy like this. Okay, so in your case you can directly click on that link, and but here I'm just copying this and I will just put it in my search engine, and then I will click on enter. So I will be redirected to this page. Okay, so here you will get two options like login. If you have already registered on Graphy, then you can click on login. Do You can select either login via Google or you can log in via email OTP. Okay. But if you are registering for the first time, okay, so you have to click on this buy now. You have to purchase this course for rupees 50. It's a Graphy platform phase. Okay. It's a Graphy platform phase, and it's a one-time payment. Okay. Uh, let's click on this buy now and then proceed, and then I will just enter my name and XYZ, and I will just give my mail ID here, and then I will click on buy now. So see, it will redirect it to you the payment page. Okay, like don't just skip this thing, and here you can choose these options. You will have these options to buy the course. Either you can buy it from card or the UPI or the wallet, anything. In my case, I will just select this UPI and I will just click on the scan QR. Okay. And then I will just make the payment. The payment is already done. Yeah. So it will say your payment is successful. So then it will ask you to log in. Okay. To verify your mail. Okay, so you can verify your mail via Google or the via OTP. I will just, in this case, I will select verify email via OTP. So I will click on this verify email via OTP. And once I will click on this, I will get an OTP over my mail. I will just enter it, zero, okay, and then I will click on sign in. So it will say, welcome to the Techness Academy. And thus I have purchased this course. Okay. Now let me show you how to get inside your course. You can see an icon with your name initials. If you click on that, you will have an option of profile. Just click on your profile. Okay. Then it will redirect you to the course page. So in here, you can see the first icon, which is known as library. Okay. So once you click on this library, you will have option of active courses, archive courses, and all those things. So in the active courses, you can see this active course, correct? So let me click on this active course, and you can see we have these things already here. The classes which have been conducted on 28th September, on 29th September. So you can see the first option is demo session. If you click on this, you can see the recordings. Okay. When you click on this watch on YouTube, it will redirect you to the YouTube page and you can see the recordings. Okay. And then here you will have the assignments and the solutions and all those things. Okay. So this is about the recordings. Then I will show you how to join the live class. So when you click on this 13th October and when you click on this recording, okay, so you will get an option to join the class. So this option will only come when you are joining the live class. Okay. Like the class is right now going on and I want to join the class. Okay. So I will just click on this part, this recording part, and I will just simply click on this join class. So make sure that the date you are selecting is of the current date and and thus you can join the live class. So this is all about this. Thank you. This is all about Graphy platform.